Hey everyone, welcome back to Amplify Learning. I'm thrilled to have you here for the next installment of our dedicated JEE series. Today, we're diving deep into a challenging physics problem covering linear momentum. We'll be breaking down a specific question from JEE Main 2015, so grab your notebooks and let's get to work. A particle of mass m moving in the x direction with speed 2v is hit by another particle of mass 2m moving in the y direction with speed v. If the collision is perfectly inelastic, the percentage loss in the energy during the collision is close to, and these are the options. Okay, so let's solve it. Considering x direction, we get the total momentum before collision as m times 2v. No momentum in x direction for the other particle. After collision, we get the x component of velocity of the particles moving together as the collision is inelastic. Considering y direction, we get the total momentum before collision as 2m times v, no momentum in y direction for the first particle. After collision, we get the y component of velocity of the particles moving together as the collision is inelastic. We calculate the actual magnitude of the velocity here. And then we calculate the total energy loss, which is basically the total energy before collision and after collision. So we calculate the total kinetic energy of the two particles before collision and subtract the total kinetic energy after collision, which is obtained by their total collective mass and velocity. After this calculation, we convert it to percentage loss by dividing energy lost by the total energy before collision and multiplying by 100. So we get 55.55% or roughly 56%. That is it for our next addition to our JEE Problem Solving Series. For more such JEE Problem Solving content, please subscribe. We are trying to grow our channel, so that would mean a lot. You are welcome to browse other videos in our channel. Comment if you would want a specific problem being solved on the channel. We would definitely cater to your needs. Thank you for watching and we will see you next time.